Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to flip objects horizontally and vertically in your Affinity Designer canvases. So let's get started. Flipping an object can be useful when creating mirrored designs, changing the direction of an icon, or quickly testing different layouts without rebuilding the object. Head over to your design on Affinity Designer and place an object, like a shape for example. Make sure the object is visible and easy to select on your canvas before continuing. There are three ways how you can flip objects horizontally and vertically. Each method creates a similar result, but you may find one option faster depending on your workflow. Option number 1. You right-click into it, navigate to Transform, and select either Flip Horizontal or Vertical. Alright, so that's the first option. Flip Horizontal mirrors the object from left to right, while Flip Vertical turns it from top to bottom. This right-click method is useful because it gives you quick access to the transformation controls directly from the selected object. Option number 2. You select your object by left-clicking into it. Click into this, Transform button at the top, and choose again, Flip Horizontally or Vertically. This option is convenient when you are already using the controls at the top of the interface. It can also help you work more quickly when editing several objects one after another. And then, as option number 3 guys, you left-click into the given object. And then, let's say, for instance, the object is the only one on your canvas. So in this case, you may also click into Document in the top left, and then flip your canvas, horizontally or vertically like this. Remember that this method affects the entire canvas rather than only one selected element. So it is most useful when your canvas contains just the object you want to flip. Since the object is the only one or single one here on your canvas, it will be flipped as well. And yeah, so that's basically the same effect. However, when several objects are present, flipping the canvas may change the direction and placement of everything together. For better control in that situation, use the first or second option to flip only the selected object. You can now choose the method that feels most comfortable for your project. These options are useful for shapes, icons, illustrations, arrows, logos, and other design elements that need to face the opposite direction. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.